Here we go, guys. A quick video on Coinbase Global trading on the NASDAQ. And as you can see today, pulling back a little bit, this is kind of a buy, sell, or hold type video here. And as you can see, let me go to the weekly. And as you can see, we've come up and hit the top here one, two, three times. And high odds, high probability when you hit a resistance line on the third time. Now we did close a couple of days above it, but you'll get a pullback off that resistance line. And also number two, we're extended pretty high above the 20. So the way we teach, the way we look at it is that when you're extended above the 20, above the 200 like this, you let price, you don't FOMO, okay? In this area, this is where majority of people, they don't want to miss out, fear of missing out, okay? And especially when you start getting even extended even higher, like, sometimes altcoins or what have you, people will, rush in here after hearing about it or seeing the chart, whatever. And that's where your discipline, your set of rules for when to enter, how to enter, and then of course your stop loss, your risk unit there, you need to have under control as well. So anyway, for us, technically it would be a hold if you were already in there, or if not, we would say this thing either need to trade sideways or pull back, because that's only, one or two things they can do, and then allow this 20 to kind of catch up. Okay. As you can see, even backtracking the stock here had a little consolidation zone, breakout above the 20, another little consolidation zone, a little bit of a pullback, and then we gapped up. They call that, jumping the creek. Because normally that's one of the secrets things we teach about Wall Street or the market makers. That flat 200 is a really tough resistance to get up and over. Also, coming back into it, it's real strong support. Okay, so what the market makers do, you're trading here, they just jump the creek, open it up the next day above all that, and then off you're running. So we would like to see, here's let me get my pen back up. There was a nice little breakout up and over the 20. And then this one too would have been an entry candle for us. But anyway, this is one of our picks, one of our stocks in our new powerful strategies for accelerating your retirement and pay off debt. And let me show you that real quick. Okay, in this course, obviously we have a little introduction, let you know everything. Set up your plan for retirement, paying off debt early, the secret to building and keeping. Anybody can make the money, is keeping it for your generational wealth. And then we break down the banking finance sector, top companies that have the best charts, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Not just, Bitcoin, we delve in and look at the cycles, we look at the related ETS, public companies that are running a Bitcoin Treasury strategy. Of course, energy. That's one of the things actually that's not going to be disrupted by AI. A top company with the top best charts, healthcare sector, finding the best healthcare stocks, infrastructure. With our decaying infrastructure out there, streets, sewage, bridges. We have some picks, for companies that are going to be exploiting that. And then real estate. I don't know if you're are like me, but back in the day, had a rental property. Every time I turned around, it was just another headache after a headache. It's a lot easier to come in here and click a mouse, get in, get out, depending on what type of ETF or particular asset that you want to trade within the real estate market. Even as an outlier as this is, parking facilities is a very up and coming business. Of course, technology, conclusion, and then we have bonus chapters here, and I don't want to give it all away, but strong tech and AI companies with the potential to 10 to 50x. Now, any of these stocks, assets could go to $1 million. Any of them could go to $0. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor, but we do know how to research and look at the charts and teach you how to do that. And then we have the next booming economy, so to speak. We delve into the top publicly traded companies poised to lead AI, video, and gaming, and we break those down for you. And then rare earth metals, something that a lot of people, don't see as cool and trendy, but without these metals, none of that AI or robotics is going to happen. And then, speaking of robotics, are the leaders in that area, and then also, automation, service, and medical. Okay, and then supplemental passive income, get started now. USDC, we break that down versus Tether, and how you can do, some supplemental income, 500 to 1,000 a month, doing that, of course, additional bonus chapters. But guys, appreciate you watching. I'll leave a link below, and we will see you on the charts.